Hi everyone and welcome back to the English Danny channel. I'm Teacher John and I'm here to help you become great at learning English. So in today's video we're going to learn about, it's a special kind of phenomenon in English, and it's this very long word that you see here on the screen called onomatopoeia. Okay, and if you don't know what that is, that's okay. Don't worry, it's not a very difficult concept. And we're also going to learn about some onomatopoeia words that are very common in English. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Right now you might be wondering, what is onomatopoeia? Well, onomatopoeia is when a word phonetically, meaning the spelling, okay, the letters in the word, imitates or resembles the sound that it is describing. Okay, so maybe you still don't know what onomatopoeia is. That's okay. Let's see some examples of onomatopoeia. Let's take a look at this picture. Okay, what is the cat doing? It's making a sound. What kind of sound does this cat make? Well, in English, the word is hiss. Okay, hiss, H-I-S-S. And if you can see, or if you can hear and see, this word is spelled so that the word, it sounds very similar to the real sound, right? Hiss, hiss. It sounds like the same sound that the cat is making. So let's look at the definition. Hiss, to make a sound like a long S, usually out of anger or disapproval, right? Like this cat is hissing because it's angry. Our next word here, it actually says it in the picture. This is the sound that a clock makes, or an older analog clock makes, all right? And this word is tick-tock. Okay, tick-tock, tick-tock. Tick-tock is very similar to the actual, the real sound that a clock makes, right? Tick-tock, tick-tock. Okay, so let's look at the definition is used to describe the sound of a large clock ticking. Okay, so tick-tock sounds very similar to the real sound. Okay, this is a perfect example of onomatopoeia. Let's look at this picture. Here, Batman is doing what? What is he doing to Robin? Okay, not just hit. Okay, it's not the word hit. It's a different word called smack. Smack. Okay, smack. Let's look at the definition first. Okay, to hit somebody with your open hand or an object, okay, especially as punishment. All right, so in this picture, Batman is smacking Robin, okay, with his open hand. And the word smack sounds just like the actual sound of hitting, you know, your desk, okay, or another person's face, or your face. That sound is smack. Okay, very, very similar to the real sound. So I think that there are a lot of onomatopoeia words and sounds to learn. All right, so let's quickly talk about what kinds of words are usually onomatopoeia. Okay, well, animal sounds in English are very often, we use onomatopoeia to describe the word and the sound. So, for example, bark, right? Bark is the sound that a dog makes. Meow, this is the sound that a cat makes. Chirp, chirp is the sound that a bird makes. Moo, right, for a cow, and oink for a pig. All of these animal sounds are onomatopoeia words. So let's also look at Another kind of sound that also very often uses onomatopoeia, okay? And this is machine sounds. So sounds like honk, right? Honk is the sound of your car horn when you press it. We have beep, okay? Beep is a sound made by computers and phones and cars and other machines. Vroom is the sound of an engine. Bang is the sound of maybe two objects hitting each other or a small explosion. And clank is the sound of two pieces of metal hitting each other as well. All right, everyone, that's our video for today. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave us a like. All right, thanks for tuning into the English Danny channel.